Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Mid-afternoon market update. Dow surges 100 points. Scansource shares slide following Q4 earnings analysis. http ntvforex.com news ID 2D1CE491 2027 52:10 p.m. Toward the end of trading Tuesday, the Dow traded up 0.37% to 28,534.69, while the Nasdaq rose 1.13% to 11,908.25. The S&P also rose, gaining 0.43% to 3,515.27. The U.S. has the highest number of coronavirus cases and deaths in the world, reporting a total of 6,031,280 cases with around 183,600 deaths. Brazil confirmed a total of over 3,908,270 COVID-19 cases with 121,380 deaths, while India reported a total of at least 3,691,160 confirmed cases and 65,280 deaths. In total, there were at least 25,506,750 cases of COVID-19 worldwide with over 851,090 deaths, according to data compiled by Johns Hopkins University. Leading and lagging sectors. Materials shares gained 1.8% on Tuesday. Meanwhile, top gainers in the sector included NBSP Northern Dynasty Minerals Limited NBSP NAK 8.05%, up 11%, and NBSP Venator Materials plc NBSP VNTR 7.04%, up 8%. In trading on Tuesday, healthcare shares fell by 1.3%. Top headline: Zoom Video Communications Inc. NBSP ZM 40.11%. NBSP reported better than expected results for its second quarter and also issued a strong forecast. Zoom reported quarterly adjusted earnings of 92 cents per share, surpassing analysts' estimates of 45 cents per share. The company reported sales of $663.50 million versus expectations of $500.45 million. Zoom is forecasting third quarter revenue to come in a range of $685 million to $690 million. The company sees earnings per share hitting a range of 73 cents to 74 cents. Zoom updated its full-year guidance thanks to the strong quarter. It now sees full-year revenue hitting a range of $2.37 to $2.39 billion, a year-over-year increase of 281 to 284%. Equities trading up. J.Jill Inc. NBSP JIL 54.26%. NBSP shares shot up 79% to $0.6883 after the company announced a transaction support agreement that would result in a waiver of any past non-compliance with the terms of the company's credit facilities. Shares of NBSP Jounce Therapeutics Inc. NBSP JNCE 51.86%. NBSP got a boost, shooting 64% to $7.94 after the company and Gilead announced an exclusive license agreement for the JTX 1811 program. Gilead will make an upfront $85 million payment and $35 million equity investment. Zoom Video Communications Inc. NBSP ZM 40.11%. NBSP shares were also up, gaining 39% to $453.17 after the company reported better than expected results for its second quarter and also issued a strong forecast. Equities trading down. Applied UV Inc. NBSP AUVI 27.03%. NBSP shares tumbled 28% to $8.40. Applied UV shares gained 132% on Monday after the company prices its IPO at $5 per share. Shares of NBSP Scansource Inc. NBSP SCSC 13.55%. NBSP were down 12% to $21.62 after the company reported worse than expected Q4 earnings. Green Power Motor Company Incorporated NBSP GP 10.63%. NBSP was down, falling 10% to $17.74. Green Power Motor reported Q1 sales of $2.27 million. Commodities. In commodity news, Oil traded up 0.9% to $42.99, while gold traded down 0.1% to $1,978.30. Silver traded up 0.1% Tuesday to $28.61, while copper fell 1.3% to $3.023. Eurozone European shares closed mostly lower today. The Eurozonia STOXX 600 fell 0.35%, the Spanish IBEX index fell 0.18%, while Italy ASFTSE MIB index slipped 0.2%. Meanwhile, the German DAX 30 gained 0.22%, French CAC 40 slipped 0.18% and London ASFTSE 100 fell 1.7%. The Eurozone Manufacturing Index recorded growth for the second straight month during August. The IHS Markit French Manufacturing PMI increased to 49.8 in August versus a preliminary reading of 49, while German Manufacturing Index slipped to 52.2 from a preliminary reading of 53. Economics. The IHS Markit Manufacturing PMI slipped to 53.1 in August versus a preliminary reading of 53.6. The ISM Manufacturing PMI climbed to 56 in August versus 54.2 in July. U.S. construction spending rose 0.1% in July, versus a revised 0.5% decline in June. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.